Clayton, carry that torque converter. You love carrying torque converters.
The ATF.
With the smelly ATF.
Ugh.
Don't get your shirt dirty. Damn, that's a clean shirt. Sadly, the Camry is back to stock. Got this eBay filter for $10. Actually looks really good. But she's back to stock, unfortunately. But it is what it is. She actually sounds really good. I'm just bleeding the coolant. Clayton's over here removing his bumpers and whatnot. He's a douche. Took off his front bumper because he wants me to plastic wall the 2 tabs he broke when he was trying to get the car out of the driveway. Jeez, what a loser.
What the hell you mean a loser? You're the loser for having bushes that got in the way.
Wow.
And
So
it was raining.
So my bushes got in the way.
Yes, that's what I was saying.
Wow. Damn, who did the swap?
There was this guy down the road, crackhead.
Wow. Oh, jeez. He's gonna go ahead and remove his engine or his.
My engine plastic?
I was about to say engine plastic. It's your hatch plastic covers.
Oh, that bullshit.
Put it in the front seat.
Yeah, I know.
A lot of things to do. Did you see the Mishimoto little penguin? Did you put it up there?
No,
It's an air freshener.
Wait, it's an air freshener?
Yeah, it's an air freshener. Yeah, it is.
Nah.
The little penguin that's in there, it's an air freshener. Did you see it?
Yeah, it should be in here. I saw it in here. I was like, what?
Yeah, it's right here. Look, it's right here. It's an air freshener. Pull it out. Smell it. What does it smell like? It's probably gonna smell like
Radiator
hose. No, radiator hoses.
Ugh.
The rubber. What does it smell like?
Like a fruit.
You are a fruitcake.
What the heck? Mishimoto. It's got moisture on the inside.
I wonder why.
What the heck?
All right, clear up all this shit.
It smells like coolant.
Hurry up. What are you doing?
Removing the... Oh, we're installing a Tier D rear strut tower.
Nah. It's a brace.
Anyways, so the first step is to remove all 4 of the engine plastics from this one, these 2, and the centerpiece. What's next is you have to remove the seat brackets that hold them up. Both of them on both sides. All it is 4 10s all together, so 2 on each side, and then they should just come right off.
It should, but it won't.
What the heck? What do you mean? I'm removing right now.
Nah, lies.
You're a weirdo.
Queer boy over here has to take off the back seats
What
because
the heck?
the drill.
That's rude. That's family-friendly content.
The drill does not have enough space to drill out the center holes that the TRD bar needs. So he has to take off the seats unless he wants to drill at a crooked angle and mess something up, potentially. Which is what he likes to do. I mean, he messed up his C60 and his 2ZZ.
I know, I bought them all messed up.
Nah. That's why your C60 only had like a quart of oil in it.
Guess who's buying that C60? Or guess who bought it already? My bad.
Trash.
Yeah,
Trash. I don't think that drill bit has any power.
No, I mean it's cutting through. I mean I see.
Because I think it's worn out already.
It is.
It's probably worn out. That's why it's not going through real quick.
Well, should have gone through by now.
Yeah.
Does it need to go through here too?
Let me see. No, keep going. You gotta keep going, man. I don't think I have another one, so you're gonna have to use with what you have.
It's on my Vato zone.
Nah. Damn, son, you're about to cut into that fresh piece of plastic right there. And it's an 03 interior piece. Oh no! Oh no! Oh crap! R.I.P. the heck are you doing? I'm Clayton. I want to install a TRD 3-point brace on the rear by myself. What are you doing? Just use the sanding bits, man.
You said use the knife.
Well, you're not doing it right.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Here.
Damn, son. Clean ass cuts.
Yeah,
Wonder
thank
who
you.
did them.
I did.
You did.
Yeah.
Damn, that's messed up, son. I hope you have a hard time installing that then.
What the heck?
Yep.
That's kind of rude.
Nah, you're the rude one. What the fuck? He's gonna have a hard time installing this because we did it the aesthetic way. And did it,
Thanks, OEM Seabass.
OEM Seabass, who's that?
You? What the heck?
Oh my god, who the hell is that? Some crackhead.
You get that on YouTube.
Damn, Clayton, that looks hella clean. Who did those clean ass cuts?
You know that guy you recorded earlier? You're like, that's a crackhead. That guy. I gave him $5.
You gave him $5 and he did these clean ass cuts?
He says, yeah, dude. I said a TRD 3-point strut tower. I'm like, yeah, man. He's like, I know how to cut those. He
What?
said $5.
$5, damn. You know he's gonna go buy beer with that now. That's messed up. Should have given him a Popeye's chicken sandwich instead. God damn, that thing's clapped out. Damn, that's a clean shirt. Where'd you get it from?
Mind your business.
Damn, that's messed up. Why you gotta be so rude?
Man, I wish I went to the meet. That would have been sweet. Like right after high school and then graduation.
Trash.
Supercharged and all. No.
It's taking the battery because we're gonna get a small Civic one. Why they gotta be so ratchet? Don't you know they're human too? Oh man. Clayton, why was she getting mad?
It's like, I ain't stealing shit.
I ain't stealing, I'll put all this shit back.
Making a big ass scene in front of everybody.
I know, I swear, like, why they gotta make a big scene out of it, man? Jeez.
I know, right?
What you got there, Clayton?
You know, just some back to school supplies.
Back to school supplies? You mean back to wasting money on the car project? Never ending story?
Never ending curse.
Never ending curse. Man.
Damn, we got some good ass deals. See, look, $9.98 for some
Trash, dude. It's all trash.
barbecue beer freedom. That's American sale.
It's all trash clothes. Damn, they told Clayton to come back tomorrow. He tried to save his $12 core. It's not gonna work. They said fuck you in short. Stop trying to get that clout, man. Let me see, what kind of bar is that? Cringe.
Sustack, here's all the numbers and everything. Ta-da!
Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you, Wilson. I
All
don't know
right.
you, man, but thank you.
What?
I don't know Wilson, but thank you.
Oh boy. Get your light so you can see.
I just the switch.
Hopefully it's easy. Hopefully it's not one of those that turns into a 2 a.m. thing. Should be easy. I mean, it wasn't that hard when we removed it.
To remove it.
Ugh.
Wow, what a weirdo. I need content. Aesthetic.
Oh, I'm over here eating a donut like a pig.
I bought those.
He's over here installing that bar.
Let me just thread it a little more.
Is it easy?
That's really good. Forget about it all. You guys, I got bars.
Stop. You're just cringe, dude.
Yeah, I know. I was born like that.
Put it on number 2 when you're tightening it. That was easy. Now you gotta bar them. I don't know. Does it work?
I don't know. I think
What the hell?
hell about. I mean, I don't think you can tell. You probably just can't tell because like I have the KW, I have the C1 strut tower on the top, I have the sway bars from C1, and I have the TRD rear strut tower. So I don't think you can tell a difference with this unless you probably had like this standalone on stock everything. You probably could like corner.
Stop. Okay, get out of there. I guess if you want to put it on 3 just for safety,
Okay.
just don't leave it on like for a long time. All right. We had to abandon the battery at Walmart because he did not have enough money.
What a mess.
Oh my God, made us wait and waste our time.
It's whatever.
So now I'm gonna let him borrow. Damn, you got it dirty already, dude.
What the heck? Where?
Why did you bring it?
I thought it was cool. I didn't know it was going out of the car today.
Let me see. Is it actual oil or just exhaust shit?
Exhaust shit. Gonna wash out.
Wash out.
Lower it, yeah.
Anyways, he has to go get my battery from the Civic because it's a smaller battery so that he can run his C1 bar.
My JDM bar, my bad.
Shut up. Damn, almost fell to his death.
To my death. Watch terminals.
Nah, let's just touch it, dude. We'll make a cool fire.
Cool fire on this brand new swapped car. Brand new car.
It'll make a cool fire, man. A cool story as well.
Sitting on that brake,
What? Brake cap?
you got it.
That's good.
No.
Damn. Issues. Running into fitment issues. Don't get scared, Clayton.
Shut up. Oh shit.
Jeez.
What, do you want me to put it to the side like this?
Yeah, I would.
But it's rubbing on the hoses. Or is it like angled?
Damn. C1 bar. Who's
Oh.
this?
Shout out to Victor for the bars and the sway bars for C1.
You mean the one that took us forever to install in the front?
Because we didn't drop the subframe? That's the one.
Oh, these Harbor Freight lights. Y'all gotta get one of these, man. These are really good.
Hell yes.
$24. They're magnetic and they last for good hours. We got 2 right here. That's his and this one's mine. And it's really bright. Like, check this out.
3 different
Zoom.
light settings.
Really, really bright. These are originally like $35, but you can get them for sale for like $24 if you wait with the coupon. But C1 bar is finally installed.
Make sure to use safety when installing this way. Strut tower.
Yeah.
Tower bars.
So I had saved this from an Optima battery that his old, or another Celica that we got had. So we saved this so it's the battery tie down because the original one wouldn't fit. And we had to go down to a Honda Civic size. This is like for a Honda Civic or a Honda Accord 2.4, which is their 4-cylinder version. The V6 one is the one where they got the bigger battery. So this should be strong enough to power up the Celica. And it is only about 1 year and some couple months old. So she should be good. And plus it has a 5-year warranty, right? 5-year warranty. So this is actually really good. If it does fail on you, you should just take it back to Walmart and they'll probably warranty it for you.
I'll be like, I bought this like a year.
What's up with all this, man?
Front bumper.
This is all for your front bumper?
Yeah.
All right, we got a plastic weld that.
Plastic weld. I'll put back on my pedal. Other than that.
Yeah, check that out. Front sway bar clears really well. With the smaller battery, of course. You should turn it on to see if it even works, man. RIP, it doesn't work. Got this off another Celica, and I added to zip tie just to make sure this doesn't come off. Damn. Go get that alternator warranty, dude.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
It sounds like shit.
I know, but I mean, I'll go get that one day. It's just the bearing. The alternator still works.
It sounds like crap, though.
I'll get it done.
Dude, that was very loud, actually. But yeah, so small battery. If you guys are interested, it is a Max 51R. This is strong enough to turn on a Celica engine, 2ZZ. This is actually what they give you for a Civic 1.6. So
The only difference is the 35 at Walmart. It's
oh no.
$4.90.
So the 51R is the one with the battery terminals this way, and then the one that just says 51 is the battery terminals opposite. So don't confuse yourself when you go get that battery. But what were you gonna say?
The only difference really is the cold crank amps, if I remember. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's 500. The 35, which is the one you buy for Celicas, is 490. So
This is actually stronger then.
yeah, surprisingly, but it's tiniest battery.
Man, wow.
Yeah, it's 500 and 6 at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 625.
Well, it's better regardless. It's gonna run you about 120, so be prepared. It's not cheap, and they don't have any smaller, or they don't have any with less years of warranty. So this is gonna run you about 120 at Walmart. So be prepared.
Yeah, compared to the $50 Celica one.
Yeah, the $50 Celica one that I always get. And that one's actually a champ, man. That's a champ. All right, well, I guess this is gonna wrap up this video. It was just installing the 3 bars. Thank you guys if you guys made it through the video and heard my annoying voice and Clayton's.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
What do you
That's
mean, whoa, whoa, whoa?
That's mean.
Tell them where you're gonna install the supercharger, Clayton. Everyone's DMing me about that.
I gotta wait. I gotta send my ECU out to MWR for a bass tune. I have other powers. I gotta install some boost gauges. Some other gauges.
What a ricer.
Man, I have little tiny things before I have to do the big.
What a ricer.
Ricer.
Anyways,
Ricer. Look at your car.
my car, where is it? I didn't see it. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.
Adios.
Oh my god, it sounds like an actual 2ZZ that's not misfiring.
Is there a problem, officer?
Yeah, you're ugly.
Is it my carb legal sticker or what?
Carb legal sticker.
You
Fuck
want to
out
move my
of here.
sensor?
Fuck out of here, man. Oh no, he's gonna stall. Sounds ugly. That PPE exhaust sounds like crap.